Most of us never think about the people who keep planes flying safely. When we board a flight, our minds are on our destination, our loved ones, or the adventure ahead. Rarely do we pause to consider the invisible hands that make every journey possible. We trust that our flight will go smoothly, but that trust is built on the expertise of aviation maintenance technicians, airplane mechanics. These highly trained professionals are the backbone of aviation safety, working tirelessly to ensure that every aircraft is in perfect condition before it ever leaves the ground. These men and women work behind the scenes, often at night, ensuring every bolt and wire is perfect. While the world sleeps, they meticulously inspect, repair, and test, knowing that even the smallest oversight could have serious consequences. They are the invisible guardians of our safety, the last defense against disaster at 30,000 feet. Their attention to detail and unwavering commitment mean that millions of passengers can travel with peace of mind every day. A single mistake can have dire consequences, so their work is a profound responsibility. Every checklist, every inspection, and every repair is performed with the utmost care because lives depend on it. Every repair they sign off on is a personal guarantee that the aircraft is safe. Their signatures are more than just ink on paper. They are promises, backed by years of training and a deep sense of duty. Without them, the aviation industry would grind to a halt. Planes would remain grounded, and the world would feel much larger and less connected. But now, we're facing a shortage of these skilled professionals. The demand for air travel is rising, but the number of qualified mechanics is not keeping pace. As experienced mechanics retire, not enough new recruits are stepping in. Training takes years, and the work is demanding both physically and mentally. The next generation must be inspired to take up this vital role. This shortage means longer waits for repairs, more delays, and higher costs for travelers. It can even impact flight schedules and the reliability of global air travel. It's a challenge that threatens the foundation of modern air travel. Without enough skilled mechanics, the entire system is at risk, from safety to efficiency. The next time you fly, remember, your safety depends on a mechanic you'll probably never meet. Their dedication and expertise are the silent forces that keep you safe above the clouds. It's time to shine a light on the people who keep us safe in the sky. Let's recognize and appreciate the unseen guardians who make flight possible for us all. The numbers tell a stark story. North America will need nearly 200,000 new aviation technicians in the next 20 years. Globally, over 760,000. Air travel is growing, and so is the need for maintenance. Meanwhile, the current workforce is aging. About 30% are at or near retirement. For every 5 mechanics who retire, only 2 new ones enter the field. Airlines and repair shops are already struggling to find qualified technicians. Planes spend more time grounded, causing delays and cancellations. As aircraft become more advanced, the need for highly skilled mechanics only increases. This isn't just about numbers, it's about losing critical expertise. The shortage is here, and it's threatening the future of safe, reliable air travel. We must act before the skills gap becomes a crisis. Becoming an airplane mechanic is no easy feat. It's a journey that demands dedication, discipline, and a true passion for aviation. For many, it starts with a dream, one that requires years of hard work to achieve. The FAA sets high standards. Before you can even think about working on an aircraft, you must complete an 24-month program at an approved school, or log 30 months of hands-on experience in the field. This ensures that only those who are truly committed make it through. Training is rigorous and comprehensive, covering everything from the fundamentals of physics and electronics to the complexities of turbine engines and hydraulic systems. Students spend countless hours in classrooms and workshops, learning to troubleshoot and repair real aircraft components. Earning the AANDP license means mastering both airframe and power plant systems. It's not just about passing tests, it's about developing the skills and confidence to keep aircraft safe and airworthy. After months or even years of training, candidates must face a series of tough written, oral, and practical exams. These tests are designed to challenge even the most prepared students, ensuring only the best are certified. You must prove you can apply your knowledge under pressure, working efficiently and accurately, while being observed by experienced examiners. Mistakes are not an option when safety is on the line. Tuition can be expensive, and the training is demanding, both mentally and physically. Many students juggle jobs or family responsibilities while studying late into the night. The path is intentionally challenging, designed to ensure only the most capable and dedicated individuals earn the right to work on aircraft. It's a test of perseverance as much as skill. The payoff, however, is a stable, well-paying career with opportunities for advancement. But the barrier to entry remains high, and not everyone who starts the journey will finish it. This long, challenging process is a major reason for the shortage of qualified mechanics today. Many potential candidates are discouraged before they even begin. To secure the future of aviation, we need to make this path more accessible and supportive, so we can attract and inspire the next generation of skilled mechanics. Building the next generation of mechanics starts early. It's not just about textbooks and tests. It's about sparking curiosity and hands-on learning from day one. For many students, the journey begins in high school, where they're introduced to the fundamentals of aviation and the excitement of working with real aircraft components. At Aviation High School in Queens, students split their days between academics and hands-on aircraft maintenance. Here, classrooms are filled with the hum of engines and the energy of young minds eager to learn. Students don't just read about aviation, they experience it, working on real planes and learning the skills that will shape their futures. They work toward their AANDP license before graduation, a huge head start. This certification opens doors to a world of opportunities, giving them a competitive edge and the confidence to pursue careers in aviation right after high school. Real-world training continues at places like American Airlines Tech Ops in Tulsa, the world's largest commercial aircraft maintenance base. Here, students and new graduates step into a fast-paced environment, working on massive jets and learning the importance of teamwork, safety, and precision. New mechanics learn alongside veterans, absorbing knowledge you can't get from books. The wisdom passed down from experienced professionals is invaluable, helping young mechanics develop the confidence and skills needed to tackle complex challenges. At GE Aerospace in Indiana, mechanics assemble cutting-edge jet engines, using digital tools and precision techniques. The work is meticulous, blending traditional craftsmanship with the latest technology to ensure every engine meets the highest standards. Whether in a classroom, a hangar, or a factory, the goal is the same: safety, precision, and continuous learning. Every setting offers unique lessons, and each step prepares students for the demands of the aviation industry. Partnerships between schools and industry create clear career pathways. These connections help students see the real-world impact of their studies and provide access to internships, mentorships, and job opportunities. These collaborations are essential for closing the skills gap. By working together, educators and industry leaders ensure that students graduate ready to meet the needs of a rapidly evolving field. They show students that a passion for technology can lead to a high-stakes, high-tech career. The possibilities are endless for those willing to learn and innovate. Investing in these pipelines is key to the future of aviation. By supporting education, training, and industry partnerships, we're ensuring that the skies remain safe and innovation continues to soar for generations to come. Today's airplane mechanic is as much a tech expert as a wrench turner. Modern aircraft are flying computers, packed with advanced electronics and software. Mechanics use laptops and diagnostic tools as often as wrenches. They troubleshoot complex systems, analyze data, and solve high-tech problems. The job demands strong analytical skills and constant learning. Yet the public still sees it as a grease monkey job. We need to show young people that this is a STEM career, perfect for those who love technology and problem solving. Breaking old stereotypes is crucial to attracting new talent. The modern hangar is a place for innovators, not just mechanics. Recruiting new mechanics is only half the battle. Retaining them is just as critical. Experienced technicians are in high demand, and competition for their skills is fierce. Pay and benefits are finally improving, with airlines offering raises, better benefits, and signing bonuses. But it's not just about money. Work environment matters. Mechanics face long hours and tough conditions, so companies are investing in better tools, safer workspaces, and flexible schedules. Respect and recognition go a long way. Career growth is also key. Clear paths to advancement keep mechanics motivated. Ongoing training helps them keep up with new technology. Investing in people builds a skilled, loyal workforce. As one veteran said, "I stay because I'm always learning, and I'm part of a team that keeps people safe." That sense of purpose is priceless. Solving the mechanic shortage takes a united effort from schools, industry, government, and the public. We need more investment in training programs and partnerships between schools and companies. Government support can make training more affordable and help veterans transition into civilian roles. Changing public perception is vital. Young people need to see this as a high-tech, respected career. Companies should showcase the reality of the job through outreach and social media. Supporting current mechanics with good pay, benefits, and advancement opportunities is essential. A respected, motivated workforce is a safe workforce. When mechanics feel valued, they're more engaged and vigilant. As one senior inspector said, "My job is to be the last set of eyes. The pilots and passengers trust me. We need more people willing to carry that responsibility. The future of aviation depends on it."